What is the best time to consume a protein shake if you have an empty stomach?
Hello, everyone. In today's video, we'll be exploring the optimal time to consume a protein shake when you're starting with an empty stomach. This is a popular question among fitness enthusiasts, bodybuilders, and even those just trying to manage their nutrition better. It's all about maximizing the benefits from your protein intake. Let's dive in.
Why protein is important?
First, let's remind ourselves why protein is so essential. Protein is one of the 3 macronutrients our bodies need, alongside carbohydrates and fats. It plays a crucial role in building and repairing tissues, including muscle tissue, which is particularly relevant to those who engage in regular physical activity. Consuming protein helps stimulate muscle protein synthesis, which is the process by which the body produces new proteins and repairs muscle damage caused by exercise.
When to have your protein shake?
Now, when should you have that protein shake if your stomach is empty? There are 2 primary situations that people find themselves in most often: early in the morning or before a workout. Morning intake, starting your day with a protein shake, can be a great option, especially if you're not a big breakfast eater. Consuming protein in the morning kickstarts your metabolism, keeps you satiated, and provides essential nutrients to your body after the overnight fasting period. Pre-workout intake, alternatively, consuming a protein shake before a workout on an empty stomach can also be beneficial. This ensures that the protein and its amino acids are readily available for your muscles during the workout, aiding in energy production and potentially reducing muscle damage.
What about post-workout?
While it's not strictly related to the empty stomach scenario, it's worth mentioning the importance of post-workout protein consumption. After a workout, your muscles are in a state of repair and recovery. Providing them with protein helps speed up this process and optimize muscle growth. A protein shake within 30 minutes to 2 hours after a workout is typically recommended. In conclusion, the best time to consume a protein shake on an empty stomach is either in the morning to start your day, or before a workout to fuel your muscles. Regardless of when you decide to have your shake, remember that protein intake is crucial for muscle repair and growth. As always, consult with a healthcare professional or a dietitian to ensure that your nutrition aligns with your health goals and needs. Thanks for watching, and here's to your health.